Trident Tech's hospitality program really wants you to know what's out there.
We offer students the opportunity to travel anywhere from Italy to the Caribbean. They get to get out of their comfort zone, experience a new location, a new place that's diverse in culture.
We have 2 dining rooms that are fully functional on the main campus and Palmer campus, and it's where students actually interact with real paying guests.
We offer the hands-on experience, skills, and knowledge that they're going to need to be successful in our industry.
They make it a point to go to Kiowa Island, Boone Hall, and a bunch of hotels and restaurants that are in the area and really see where you want your niche to be.
The students really do have a lot of opportunity to get exposed, interact, and really network with other professionals in the industry.